Hi, 6th grade scholars. This is Mrs. Cruz, one of the DOIG teachers, and I'm making this video to just show you how to post your Flipgrid video. Now, if you're like me, you get a lot of emails throughout the day. Like here are my Gmail emails, and as you can see, this is all just from today, so there's a lot. But if you're watching this, that means you've already opened the email that says DOIG Avid Interview. So good job. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post a Flipgrid video using a Chromebook, a laptop, a computer, one of those devices. Okay, so you should see an email that looks like this. I'm saying hello, and I'm telling you you weren't able to make it to our interview this last Friday for whatever reason, but if you're still interested in being an Avid, then please follow these steps. Now, it gives you this link to a Google form. But if you open it and you see like, oh, I already answered all these questions, then you do not have to answer it again. You have already turned it in, so that's good enough. So if you already turned this in, you could exit out of this and you could move on to step number 2. If you have not completed this link, then please complete it and then move on to step number 2. There's just a few short questions that we want to hear from you. Okay, so in order to complete a short video on Flipgrid, all you have to do is click this link. And this link should take you to our Avid interview page. So you should see that I have a short video for you here, and it gives you the task here. So you're going to be introducing yourself to us using a camera. You can use your Chromebooks, you can use your laptops, you can also use your cell phones, but I recommend you watch the other video I post for your cell phones because it might look a little different. In the video, just please introduce yourselves. So tell me like, hi, my name is, and I'm from whatever elementary school. Tell us what you like. Tell us about yourself. What do you like to do? How are you as a student? How would others describe you? Tell us why you want to be an Avid, and then tell us anything else that you would like us to know about you. You can play my little video. I tell you a little bit about Avid.
Hi, 6th graders. My name.
So you can watch that where I explain a little bit what Avid is. And then once you're ready to record, you just have to hit this plus sign where it says moderated. And then it tells you to record as a guest in this topic, please provide your name and email. So please just make sure, it does tell you your email is optional though. So you should be able to just put in your first and last name. Okay, and then here you will see like the little video part recorded. So once you're ready to record, you're just going to click the little record button here that you see in the middle that has a little video cam. It'll give you a countdown. Once you're ready, you could start talking. If you don't like it, you could say redo, you could do it again. It'll tell you, are you sure? It's going to delete the clip. Then you say yes, I'm sure, or cancel. So redo your video. Hit the record button. And then once you are all done with your video, you could just click this next button.
And then once
it'll give you a playback so you could see. You could either add more, you could, exit out and try it again if you would like, or if you are all set, you just have to click next. Then it asks you to take a picture, a selfie of yourself. So just smile, say cheese. Then you are given the option if you would like to add stickers. You don't have to, but you may add different stickers and play with that. Then click next. Then it'll tell you if you're ready to submit your video. Make sure you fix your name one last time. You can add a title if you would like. You don't have to. The link you don't really have to pay attention to. And then when you're ready, you just have to click submit. And then that is it. Thank you for watching this.